kasaysayan, kalikasan, at kaunlaran ng iyong masisilayan.
Let the journey begin. I am once again Consuela Belis Manalo. Welcome po sa lungsod ng Lipa.
Because I want to be the image of a true Lipeña. And also I want to show the universe, the world, what Lipa has to offer. Because as they say, Lipa is an all-in package when it comes to cultural experiences and tourism offerings. And also, joining here, I would carry the hashtag Eat, Pray, Love Lipa to showcase what Lipa really has to offer to everyone. Because you know, here in Lipa, di ba po, ang daming masarap na pagkain. We have the lomi, the kapeng barako, and for the pray, we do have a lot of churches. That's why Lipa is called to be the little Rome of the Philippines. And also, love. Here in Lipa, we would welcome you with a warm heart, and we are really hospitable po talaga with Lipeños. And that's why I am here, because I want to be the image and show the universe what Lipa has really to offer po.
Thank you.
Aside from kapeng barako, lomi, goto, and such, I would love you to try po our sinaing na tulingan, because for me, this reflects the rich culinary heritage of Lipa. And we all know po na ang pagluto po ng sinaing na tulingan, it is slowly cooked for its flavor to mend with the fish. And for me, because you know, alam naman natin na with the hard work, patience, and we will taste the fruitful flavor of that fish. So I would love each and every one of you to try the sinaing na tulingan po.
Kaya video. Duel, lapit ka kay Bea. Forward ng konti, Bea. Konti lang. Yan.
We are instant tourism. Eat, pray, love Lipa.
That's it.
Magkapiling ka lang, walang higit sa'yo. Ikutin man ang mundo, ako'y babalik sa'yo.
Sarili na hinahamad ko, hinahanap ko. Paborito ko nga po na nayalapin mo. Are you down? Let's go.
Kailangan, tapos na kagad ang usapan. Man, I wanna see her booty go left cheek, right cheek. I wanna see her booty go.
Thank you again, ladies. A heartfelt thank you goes out to our generous sponsors who has
The final question for you is, what do you think makes Lipa City unique compared to other cities in the Philippines? Once again, what do you think makes Lipa City unique compared to other cities in the Philippines?
I believe what makes Lipa City unique among other cities in the Philippines is that culture, heritage, and history. Because nakakaibang ganda ng lipa, kasaysayan, kalikasan, at kaunlaran ng iyong masisilayan.
Are you ready to meet your new queen? Lipa City! Miss Lipa Tourism 2024 is candidate number Your new queen is candidate number 13! Hail to the new queen, Miss Lipa Tourism 2024, candidate number 13, Bless Herminama!
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasalamat ang sigaw.
Meron na sila.
One, two, three. Isa pa. Hello po! I would like to thank, of course, the city government of Lipa, headed by Mayor Eric V. Africa, the Sangguniang Panlungsod, the sponsors. This will not be possible without your help and support. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, Lipeños, to all my fans and supporters, maraming salamat po. I am truly blessed by all the love and support that I've been receiving. Tonight, we have blessed Lipa already, and I hope you do continue supporting me in my upcoming pageant. And of course, I would like to thank the Pageant Award Philippines for always being there for Miss Lipa to receive for coverage our activities and our pageant. Maraming salamat po.